So really quickly, I want to talk about something in Bootstrap called responsive utility classes. And these are pretty cool classes that you can add on different elements of your website, and it'll hide them and show them depending on what kind of device you're viewing on. So if I want to hide something on the desktop and I only want it visible on the phone, I could just add this hidden desktop to any element, and it'll hide it. So let's say, for example, I wanted my accordion to be hidden on the desktop because I think it'll be something that'll look a lot much better on a mobile phone. So let me switch back to my file, and I'm gonna go to my accordion, and I'm gonna add a class, hidden desktop, and I'll save that. Switch back to my browser and hit refresh. And as you can see, it's gone now. And when I resize my window, it'll come back up for tablet view. And that's because I put only the hidden desktop. I'll go all the way down to mobile, and our accordion is placed right here. And there's one example. If we take a look at our slider when it's at mobile, you can see it looks kind of, I don't know, kind of crunched or whatever. And I know we just have an image placeholder here, but let's say we had an image that, like an actual image, and we resized all the way down to mobile, and it turns out the image doesn't look very good on a mobile device. So we can deal with that by just hiding the slider altogether. And where is it at? Oh, it's down here. And we can have a class of hidden phone. We'll save it. We'll open the browser back up. I'll refresh it. And it's gone now. So if I resize the window again and go up to about tablet, remember we haven't done anything with the with tablet yet, so everything's still going to be there. And when I go back to desktop, my accordion's gone and my slider's back, and it's still functional. I'm going to switch back over to the Bootstrap website really quick, and they have this nice table here that kind of breaks down each of the classes. And if you notice here, we use hidden phone and hidden desktop, and that means it just hides it from that particular window, but it still shows it on the other one. We could also use visible phone or tablet or desktop, and it'll show it only on that window. So let's make our block quote. We'll give that a class of visible tablet, and hopefully it'll only show up when somebody's viewing from a tablet. So I'm going to add a class equal to visible dash tablet and save it. And I'll switch back over to my browser, and I'm going to refresh, and now it's gone. And if I go all the way down to mobile, it'll still be gone. And if I resize it up just to about a tablet size, there we go, it's back. So there's a few examples on how to use the utility classes, and they can be really handy, especially when you have something that you just absolutely cannot fit onto a mobile screen, or something that doesn't make sense on a desktop. And that's going to be the end of this, or my whole lesson on Bootstrap. I didn't cover everything, and I mentioned this in my last video, but there's a lot of cool components and items that I didn't cover, and that's because I didn't think they really made sense on a static web page. So my next lesson, or I guess next short series, is going to be about building a WordPress blog site, and I'll use some of these things like breadcrumbs and pagination, and I look forward to building it, and I hope you look forward to watching them. And if you watched every video for this lesson, I want to thank you very much. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe too.